Good morning. It's October 28th and it is hot outside, so don't have a game plan today. We're going to go check out some looking points on some private land in Ohio and just get an intel of, or an idea of what's going on in the mornings there, from deer going from feeding to bedding. So probably try and get a better idea for tomorrow. I haven't been over here yet this year. Just going to try and mix it up a little bit because it's hot and I really don't want to get in here to my West Virginia private land yet. Just where it's going to be up towards the mid 70s, upper 70s today. So we're going to go try and figure something out in Ohio for the next couple days, and I know that the guys are getting some bucks on daylighting on cameras, so hopefully one of them connects on a good buck. But I'll be looking for the techs to have the drag team come get them out of the woods. So.
Alright guys, well, it is Halloween Day. It's October 31st, and I'm here in West Virginia. I wanted to go set up on another spot, and it just didn't work out this morning, so I'm just getting settled in here. It's about a little after 7:30. I had a deer run here to my right, so I don't know what it was. It was too far to see, but should be a pretty good morning. We had a big cold front hit last night. We got a really good wind for this setup, so we should be able to see a lot today. We're going to try and sit all day. Are you kidding me?
Alright, so this is definitely not where I left you guys off at, but when I shot, my initial reaction was it was a little far back, and that's what I believe the case. I believe after seeing the deer's reaction and watching him after the shot and then finding my arrow quietly, that's why I didn't film. I believe it's liver. I'll post I took a picture of it. We'll pop it up right here. That happened way faster than I expected. I seen one other deer all day, and it was a doe about 200 yards away. And it was 3:30 when I shot. Right now it's 5. I sat in a tree for a while and watched him. He's not doing great at all. Like, he's up and down, but when he's up, like, he's staggered. So we're gonna give him a long time. I got a guy that has a dog, and I'm probably going to give him a call and tell him to make his way out here. I'm heading to Mason's. We got some of the guys there. We're gonna look at the shot together and see what took place during the shot. I believe I hit a small sapling that was right in front of him that I did not see at the time. It's definitely not what I wanted. It's something that all bow hunters go through at some point. You never want it, especially as much as we practice. It's definitely not the way you want a deer to die. Pray to the man upstairs that we find him and recover him, because I mean, yeah, he's a good deer, but I mean, I'm not all in it for the rack. I mean, I get tore up as a doe as much as I do a buck, and it's been a hard season for all the guys so far, and if we can recover this deer, it's bigger than just harvesting a buck. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in Mason's.
I think it's diaphragm. I'm gonna send it just that piece.
The arrow doesn't.
The arrow
look
looks
like
good.
Like
Yeah, the arrow looks good.
I felt a lot better after I found the arrow.
To me, it sounded like you hit some sort of rib, for sure. Like it popped. I heard a little bit of a drum pop.
So like from the camera's angle, like it doesn't look like that's like it looks like there's gonna be more opening, but like I'm over here and there's like a tree, and it's got like a branch. It comes
me
like
and Jeff
straight
learned
across.
doing my does. I'm like, he's like, you know, she's 15 yards. I'm like, yeah, I know. And I shot, and then I realized he was 3 feet to the right of me, so the tree was directly behind the deer. I could see it perfect. So I mean, filming, even self-filming, the camera's not right here in your vision. It's always off to the side somewhere, you know.
What are we doing right now, Jeffrey?
Well, Dalton done went and poked one. We're gonna go get it.
That's right.
I don't know where I'm going.
I think we're just waiting on him, right? Are we waiting on Dalton?
I guess. I don't know. Wait for the dog. I mean, it'll be about the time anyway.
Okay. Is he on his way here?
Yeah.
Okay.
He said he was loading the dog out of town.
Okay. Are you guys cold?
No, not really, not yet.
One of my buddies knows a guy, and he's got a blood tracking dog, and just with everything that went down, I feel like it's best case if we bring him in, just because I don't know if he caught it up. I mean, I didn't look for blood past the arrow, so the tracking guy said he thinks it's liver as well, so which he said 4 hours, and it's
close.
It's 3.5 right now, but we're not going back in there. We're just going to look at the arrow while we're waiting on him, and then that way we need to bring some people up anyway, because we can't all fit in the machinery I got. So
Really covered. I didn't know it was like that. Like, it's stained red, the whole arrow. Yeah, everybody take a whiff. Wait, let me clear my nose. I smell blood. That's literally it. Iron. A muscle hit and have that much blood is if it's stuck in him for a while and it was running down the arrow, but if your arrow was right here, then I think it was just small iron. Yeah, there ain't no guts in it. Alright.
It might be a little wet. He'll just go back and it. It might be a little wet, but
Dude, we were right.
Yep.
We were right. What? He's right there.
He's right here, dude.
You lying to me?
No what?
You double legged it. Good to go, dude.
Oh my god. Pumpkin. It's been dead.
Oh yeah, dude. Oh yeah. Look how stiff he is. Look at that shot, dude.
Dude, no way.
Try to get his neck around here.
Here. Smell him, boy. You went right by it, moron. That's what you're looking for.
Oh yeah.
Beautiful deer.
Oh yeah.
Is that your best one?
It's real close.
Pretty close?
Real close.
Good deer, anyhow, you gotta look at it.
Thank you.
What you want to see. For sure.
I thought you were lying.
Thought we were joking with you?
Yeah, for sure.
My cell phone camera ain't that great, so I was like panning around through there, and I was like, I think I seen an eyeball. So I started getting up, yep, there he is.
It's crazy.
He's been shredding trees.
Yeah, for sure.
Well, that's like where that stand was. There's 7, 8 rubs right there.
Yeah.
Big scrape. No, he came in at like 3:30, just cruising.
Yeah, let me get one so we can send it to the.
There you go, down here, like that. That's good.
He's perfectly symmetrical. I mean, he's symmetrical. He's wide.
Poking young.
He broke this
Yeah.
right here.
Good mass.
Well, trick or treat. So it's Halloween. I thought we were getting tricked for a while. So no, 3:30. This one came off this ridge and just cut straight up right to the stand. There's a bunch of rubs, about 7 rubs right there next to the tree and a big scrape. And this cold front hit this morning, and I just figured a buck would be up checking it. So he came through at 3:30. He was quartering 2. Shots really tried to, it's a little far back, but after the shot I seen him down here and he was up and down, and that just made me have flashbacks to last year and grid searching for one, and feels good. He's stiff, he's been dead for a while. So now who's next? Which one of you guys are shooting?
Dude, I will remind you, last year you shot your buck the day before I shot mine.
That's true.
And I'm going in the morning.
That's true.
So
No one else killed a deer. This is the first.
I
This
know,
is the first deer
first
that.
buck this year.
Well, it's the first deer that I've killed that someone else in the group hasn't killed. So
That's true.
yeah, we shot 3 in one day last year
Yeah.
and 2 the next.
That's definitely the deer you had in the field this summer. 100%.
Yeah, I think so too.
I don't have any trail cam pictures, but I have pictures of him in the field in the summer. So this is the one I was after, and it's kind of crazy. It came together like this. So
Dude, congrats.
thank
Yeah,
you.
congrats to the stud.
That was your first self-film hunt, dude. Freaking stud down.
Let's go.